And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. In this video I'm going to go over the possibility of the X-S10 overheating. Now, I did a previous video where I recorded in 4K and we saw how the warning light came on, but it didn't actually shut down. But I've been asked a couple of times now what will happen if you're recording in 1080p at 60. So we've got the camera all set up. Let's have a look at that now. Right, so we've got the X-S10 here. We've got the 18 to 55 lens on it. I'm recording the back screen using the Atibus Ninja Star, and the camera's looking at an iPad with a timer on it. So we'll set that going. We'll see when the actual warning light comes on saying that it's overheating. If it does, we'll also see how long the batteries last, because I've got a load of batteries, because we're going to have to keep pressing start on this either when the recording limit is hitting or when the battery runs out. So we'll get it running, we'll get the timer running, and then we'll see what happens. So let's start the timer. Right, so the timer's running. What I thought I'd just show you the temperature on the back of the camera and see how the heat's building up on it. Let's have a look. We're looking at 27.8 degrees where the screen sits. I'll just have a whiz around. Looks about where the hottest point is. Thought I'd have the screen in the out position, because if you were holding the camera and videoing, that would probably be your best position for it. So we'll see how it goes. Come back to that later. Alright, so we're 17 minutes in. I've got no warning, but let's have a look at the temperature. Get the gun up, I'll hit the same spot as we had before. We've got 33, 34, anything up here? No. The hottest spot is still here in the back. We're looking about 35 degrees up at the top, not 36. 36 degrees. We're 18 minutes in, so we'll continue. Alright, we've just come into the 20-minute mark and the overheating warning lights just popped on. Let's have a look at what temperatures we've got. So we've got 37, yep, 37.6. And on the screen, we've still got a few battery levels left. So the warning light has come on. We'll see how much longer it'll carry on. Let's continue. We're down to, well, looks like 2 bars on the battery. According to the top, we're just coming up to 30 minutes on the internal clock, and it stopped. So we'll restart it. So that was our 30-minute cutoff. What temperatures are we getting? Let's have a look. So we got 39. 39.2, 39.8, 39.6, just at the top there, yeah, just over 39. Still got the warning on, but it's not stopped recording, so we'll carry on. Right, so we're at 43 minutes and the red battery warning's just come on, so I'm going to stop the camera and swap batteries. We'll pause the timer, and then we'll come back and see what we get, and we'll carry on. So 44 minutes out of one battery, not bad. Let's change it over. So I've changed the battery over as quick as I could, and we'll carry on. We're still at with the warning light on, but it hasn't stopped recording. Let's just see what temperatures we are getting. So with a new battery in, we're getting 39.8, about 40 degrees. So let's see how much further we get. Let's continue. Well, we've hit the 1 hour mark and the camera's still running. The warning light's still on and I'm 1 bar into my second battery. If we have a look at the temperatures again, we're looking at 41.6, 41.8. I'm going to let it run, I think, to 1 hour 30 minutes. We'll see how we go there, because I don't think you'll be, to be honestly, continuously recording for more than that, and that'll be close to your third actual restart, because you've got a 30-minute limit. So we'll let it keep going and we'll see what we get. But as I say, it's not stopped recording, even though the warning light's on. 60 frames per second, full HD. I've got OIS switched on, the IBIS is on as well. It's in AFC. Okay, it's not actually moving much, but if I get the AF to move, I've got it on the slowest setting, so it's taking a little while. There's a nice slow pull forward and back. Let's check the temperatures again, and we're still 41.6. So let that keep going, and we'll see where we get to. So we're coming up to the next restart. I'm not going to do any more after that. Let's see what the temperatures are. We're looking at 40, 42, 43 degrees. We've gone for 1 hour 13 minutes, not switched off. Temperature is staying the same. I've used 1.5 batteries. So you're looking about 40 minutes of battery, which isn't too bad at all. I'm just coming up to it to shut down. I'll let it shut down and we'll get the temperature straight after it's shut down. So what we got? Yep, 42.6. So that's what the temperature ended up being. Yeah, so we've had that. So we've had the camera running for an hour 13 minutes, and yeah, okay, the warning light came on, but it never shut off. We used 1.5 batteries in that time as well. So yeah, I don't think it's actually going to shut down. That warning light's going to come on. It's just like the 4K version test I did before, and it's just basically going to stay lit but not shut down. Reasonably warm in this room, so yeah, that's my test. Enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.